Hey, I'm Dentem. You know that fireworks explosion incident in Chenzhou, Hunan? I read something about it today. So apparently, there was this fireworks shop owner who wanted to store fireworks in his shop downtown. His application wasn't approved by the authorities. And then he deliberately set his own shop on fire, recorded himself drinking pesticide, and in the video, he accused government staff of misconduct, saying they reject his application to extort bribes. Later, I came across this perspective from someone who used to work in government approvals. He shares his own experience from back when he was in charge of approving store signs. He said if everything was compliant, he'd approve it right away. He even refused red envelopes from people trying to speed things up. Once, there was a store that completely blocked second floor windows with their sign, and he wouldn't approve it until they changed the design. Years later, in his hometown, there was a deadly restaurant fire where blocked windows delayed rescue and cost lives. When they reviewed past approvals, every single one of his decisions was still up to standard, and many shop owners actually called to thank him. His point was, in this fireworks tragedy, both sides share responsibility. The shop owner was wrong to try storing fireworks in a residential area and to offer bribes for approval, while the officials who took bribes and relaxed safety checks failed in their duty. He kept stressing how important it is not to abuse power. A single careless decision can change lives. He even said civil service exams should test the character, not just the skills, because some people just aren't fit for public service, no matter how capable they are. Really make you think. At the end of the day, following rules and acting responsibility matters so much, no matter which